If you're missing the benefits of standing and walking with aquatic therapy in the hydrotherapy pool, the AlterG may be suitable for you. Aside from the many physiological effects of water immersion, the effect of buoyancy is one of the greatest benefits. For those who are standing and walking, the buoyancy effect of the water provides a significant relief from gravity and support to the body to practice functional activities such as standing, balance and walking. To gain 50% weight relief in the water, you would stand up to your waist depth. The weight relief will gradually increase with water depth up to 90% at neck height. With the hydrotherapy facilities currently not available, we can offer use of the AlterG. The AlterG is an anti-gravity treadmill which offers weight relief of up to 80% of your body weight from the waist downwards for standing exercise and walking. While supported in the AlterG, it is possible to focus on a number of activities whilst being able to monitor your weight distribution, step length and foot position using the video facilities whilst you are standing. Many of our clients enjoy the option to try exercises that they would not manage on land, such as sidestepping, walking on an incline, walking unaided, so without their walking frame crutches or sticks, squats, lunging and various balance challenges. With the added supports, it's an ideal medium to work on your posture without the compromise of overusing the upper body. So, is it for you? Why don't you take advantage of a free 15-minute telephone consultation with one of our physiotherapists to check it out?